guys, what is up? I just wanted to braid my hair, and I was like, oh well, might as well film it and show you guys if you care. So I want to do like French braids. I don't actually know what type of braids they are, but they're two braids that go down, and I like doing them a little bit looser because I go to sleep in them, so I kind of loosen it up so they're not like super tight braids. But let me show you how I do this. So I showered earlier. Here's kind of wet. I'm going to spray it with some water. Just a couple of, I just fully soaked my arm. That was good. Just a couple sprays of water. And then I take this. This is a key ingredient to the recipe. This is R+Co Prep spray, basically. So I don't like to use a lot, and I don't like it near my roots because my roots don't need product. But I like to give my hair a couple spritzes. Why do I suck at spraying? I'm not a hair person, I suck at hair, but I can do some braids, and I think I just sprayed it into my roots, so that was a rookie mistake. And this just helps keep the wave later on, like tomorrow. Okay, now, normally if I was like gonna wear my hair out in a braid, I would like get the part perfect on the back, but since I'm not going anywhere and I'm just going to bed later, I don't really care what the part looks like. So I'm gonna take this little fine comb, rat tail comb here, and now you get to see the back of my head. Okay, I'm gonna split it down the middle. Okay, split it down the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be split. And now I'm going to take a little scrunchie, tie up the one side, tie up that side. Oh, that's cute. What's up, bruh? Okay, tie up that side, and now we braid. Okay. Alright, we have one braid done, and I like to leave like that much room at the end because we're going to pull it and loosen it up a bit later. And so I'm just going to tie that off with a scrunchie. Okay, so I just wrapped it around twice, and then once I have this side braided, I'll show you the rest. So basically we're starting right at the front here. And we're separating it into 3 pieces. 1, 2. Wow, it's way harder to do this when you're actually like thinking about what you're doing. Okay, so 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. I always start at the bottom, pull the bottom one back, kind of let the middle piece hang over, and then every time you drop it, when you go to pick it back up, you want to pick up more hair. And you just keep going all the way down and picking up more hair as you go. It was arm day today. Holy shit, my arms are sore. Okay, braids are in. Taking another little scrunchie here, and this time this one's looser, so I'm wrapping it 3 times. The reason I like to use a scrunchie is because these leave, like, these hold really well, but they leave like a huge dent in the hair when you're, like, when you take it out the next morning. So I prefer to use a scrunchie because it doesn't leave like that big dent. Okay, I'm gonna start at the bottom and pull the scrunchie down a bit and then loosen the braid. And as we get higher onto the head, you can loosen the bottom a bit more. I might even do another knot because it might fall off. There, so the scrunchie's nice and secure now. And now we just kind of pull the hair, pull the braid looser. And don't forget the front pieces. Otherwise it'll be like super tight onto your head, and that's when my hair starts to look flat if I don't loosen the front pieces here. There. And it obviously looks kind of loose, but when I do this I'm just going straight to bed, so I don't honestly really care what it looks like. And then the next morning you're gonna have some beautiful ass waves. And then tomorrow these will be like super cute beachy waves. It's like, currently it is 4 p.m. Normally when I do this, I do my hair like around like 9, right before I go to bed. But so right now it's currently 4 p.m. I wonder how straight that part was. Oh, it feels not too bad. Okay, so these are my little braids. I will show you the results tomorrow morning. But I personally think that the scrunchie is key because it doesn't leave like the big dent into your hair. Also where did it go? Also this spray is super good and it smells really like nice and fresh. But yeah, okay, these are my braids. I will show you the result tomorrow. By the way, if you like the way that my makeup looks, it's up on my YouTube channel. I will have it linked at the end of this video. Okay, see you guys in the morning. Hello my good people. It is the next day. It is currently Friday and it is like 9:30 a.m. This is the current state of my braids. Very loose. Literally about to fall out. This one is like just like, see you later, I don't want to be in there anymore. I've got my curling wand on in case I need to touch anything up, which I normally don't, but these have been in for a long ass time, so they might be, I don't know, let's see what they look like. Okay, see what I mean? There's no like harsh line in the little end here. These are very loose. Pretty cute. Also, I do have to say, my part yesterday was amazing. I didn't realize that I got it so straight in the back. That was great. I don't know if I curl it, it might just fuck it all up, but this one piece here is pretty straight. Okay, I'm just gonna take this curling wand and do one curl right here. I normally don't, but it's just been in for so long, so it got pretty loose. Just trying to do like a loose curl. So my hair is like normally very straight, even when I curl it. The curls just tend to fall out like within a couple of hours, to be honest. But anytime I go to an actual hairdresser, they always do a great job, and somehow they make it last. It's definitely the products they use. But yeah, so this is my hair with the little braid. These are my little braid waves, and this will last me like a couple of days. And I also find that since my hair is so straight, and like I've got a lot of hair, but it's very thin, fine hair, so it gets tangled really easily, and then it also has no volume in the top here. But I find that when I do these braids, it doesn't look like, when it does start to get a little bit greasy, like it doesn't look super greasy, just because maybe there's more like texture in the hair. But yeah, and I don't really brush it out either, because then it'll just get puffy. This is it, just like a messy, curly, wavy situation. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it or learned something fun and new today. If you have any video suggestions for me, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one.